I'm Mackenzie with Cascade Sciences, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the door gasket on your dry and decarb oven. I'm also going to show you a few tips on how to adjust and tighten the door handle if it should become loose over time. Let's go. The CDO 28 is a high-temp braided material gasket that takes a lot of abuse. Over time, heat and solvents can eat away at this gasket. Thankfully, replacing the door gasket is easy and no tools are required. You will see how the door gasket is attached to the door face with these metal clips. Once the seam is separated, simply pull the gasket out of the clip holes and discard. Now we're going to feed the new door gasket into place. Take one end of the gasket and clip it into place here, and then work your way around the entire door. Now let's check and see how the new gasket seals around the oven and door. Simply turn the oven on. Feel around the entire door frame. Areas where you feel air escaping may need to have tightening or adjustments made. Most often, the top left corner can pull away over time and after repeated use. If you feel air escaping from a certain area, let's try tightening up the door a little bit. The latch is probably a little bit loose, which is allowing some unnecessary heat to reach the gasket. There are two latches on the right side of the unit. This is where the door handle catches and clamps the door shut. To tighten up the door clamp, loosen the bolts and move the top and bottom latches towards the back of the oven. All right, there we have it. Your CDO 28 has a brand new gasket and your door has a nice tight seal. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact any of us at Cascade Sciences.